Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me teach you how can you fix app not installed error on Android. So let's get right into it. So I'll show you the error guys. So this is basically it. App not installed. This is showing to you when you installed an app from an unknown source on your browser. So my browser is Google Chrome. So if this happens to you, so just follow along. So the first thing to do is go on over to your settings and make sure to go over to your app manager. So it depends on what phone you have. So this is my way. Okay, so just wait for this and go over until you find Google Play services here. Google Play services and make sure you go over to clear data here at the bottom and clear cache. Okay, so go over to the second app, Google Play Store, clear data again and clear cache. Okay, so once that is done, let's go on over to our settings, okay, again, and search for install unknown sources, unknown apps or unknown sources. So install unknown apps. Once you are here, you will be navigated to special app access. So just go over to install unknown apps here. So over here, you just have to select what browser you are using on what you are downloading. So go over to our Chrome because this is what we are using. So make sure on this allow from this source is enabled. So as you can see, I have mine enabled already. So make sure this is enabled, guys. So the third and final step is go over to your Play Store here and go over to your user profile, upper right corner, Play Protect, and make sure go over to the gear icon or settings and make sure that this too is disabled. So just turn that off, guys, and there. Once that is done, you proceed by downloading again the app that you want on your browser and you should be good to go, guys. So okay guys, that is how you can fix the app not installed error on Android. Thank you for watching guys and goodbye.